This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to see LinkedIn posts that you've liked in the past. So I'm right here on my LinkedIn profile, my Matt Crawford main profile. Now you might be over here, maybe on the home or any of the other tabs right here on desktop. What you want to do is you want to click on the picture of yourself where it says me, and you can click on view profile. Now, once you're actually on your main profile, you need to be on view profile right here. You can come down to activity, you'll see the number of followers, and then you'll see this tab right here for show all activity. We click on show all activity. Now, post-wise, if you have any posts, they'll show up right here. But in order to actually see the ones that you've liked, you'll just click this reactions tab right here. And you'll see that I don't use LinkedIn that much myself, but I have liked even 2 posts right here. So all of your liked posts on LinkedIn throughout the history of your account will show up here. Hopefully you have found this video on how to find your activity, your liked posts on LinkedIn. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.